Good morning, students. So, I think you all have studied degrees of comparison. And in the last class, I have told you one example also. We have already done this one. So, today I will tell you the other example and very easy method also to remember. So, one example already I have written, December is the coldest month. So, the coldest, I think you all have understood that this is superlative degree. So we are going to do comparative and positive now. So December is the coldest month, as I have already told you here, comparative or superlative. These both will be same. So here also we are going to write December first. We have written December. So next thing we will write is coldest. This is superlative degree, and for this the comparative degree will be colder. So we will write December is colder than any other month. Now we are going to write positive degree. For positive degree, you see December in superlative and comparative we have already written. So we will start with no other. What we will take? Month. No other month is as cold. Positive degree. No other month is as cold as December. Now students get confused sometimes. So for that I am going to give you a very easy method, and that is the keywords for this. Keywords for this. EST. When in the superlative it is written EST, for the comparative you are going to write ER or any other, and for positive you are going to write no other, as and as. See here, EST, ER, any other we have done, and no other, as in as. So I think it is very easy for you. So you have to remember the keywords. One more example I'll give you, then it will make you more clear. Mr. Hashim is one of the best teachers in our school. So now I will give you few seconds to tell me which degree is this. So I must tell you now, this is superlative degree, the best. But see, I have added one of. But in the previous sentences I have not added one of. For this, what you are going to do? For this also we have keywords. First we will write the sentence. After superlative we will write comparative. So we will write Mr. Hashim is, already superlative the same name, comparative same name, is best. The comparative degree will be better. Is better than most other teachers in our school. Now we have done superlative also, comparative also, we will do positive. In the previous sentence we have written no other, but here we will not write no other. Here we will write very few. Very few teachers in our school are as good as Mr. Hashim. So I have added one of here. Here I have added most. You people will say most is for the superlative degree, but why I have added here? But now I will tell you the keywords for this. So keywords for this is in the superlative degree, one of the plus est, comparative, er plus most other, and positive we will write very few and as. See, in the superlative, one of, here I have written one of, est, here est is added, comparative, er is added here, most other, then very few, here very few, as and as. So if you will remember these keywords, it will be very easy for you. So only 2 sentences. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, and please revise this. Thank you and have a nice day.